Welcome to EnglishSpeakingCourse.com. Today's topic is experiencing a power outage conversation. Listen, read, and then repeat.
Hey Justin, I just found an awesome guitar tutorial. Have a look. Is it? I'm curious. Sure. Moreover, its membership plan is being offered at 40% off, which makes it a great deal. Interesting. What's the actual price? USD 20 per month. It's a self-learning course, which means we can learn at our own pace. Seems great. Since long I've been waiting for something like this. Did you know? I'm yearning to play the guitar professionally. I know. Let's dig the course a bit more. Oh no! Power outage once again! I fail to understand the power supply company's ignorance. Why can't they simply notify us in advance about the outage? Like an early warning SMS alert should work. It's a total mess. I mean, due to such unexpected power cuts, not only are electronic devices risk getting damaged, but it also affects on our daily activities that depend on power supply. It's fine, Justin. We can always look the tutorials up when the power is restored, can't we? This is exactly the type of reaction I detest. I mean, can't they keep the flow of electricity consistent? I have lost so much of my work due to this unwarranted professionalism of the power supply company. I completely agree with you, Justin. But there's very little we can do here. Seems you are right. Or wait, I think we can at least safeguard our electronic devices by buying a UPS or a generator and connecting all the devices to it. That's a smart idea. We both should consider buying it seriously. It will serve as a precaution whenever we experience such unexpected power cuts. Very true. A UPS should act as a buffer and give us few minutes to at least shut down all our electronic devices and thus keep them safe from crashing and breaking. Yay! Come on, Hardy, let's get going ahead. You are making another mistake now. And what is it? It is always good to wait for 10 to 15 minutes before starting the computer. Okay. And if all is well during this period, then you can be somewhat sure that power supply has been restored successfully and everything is back to normal. But what if we start the computer immediately once the power supply is back? Once it's restored, there can be a power failure once again, immediately for a brief period, and you wouldn't want to risk your devices, or would you? Wow, Hardy, where did you get all this information from? My parents helped me with this insight, and I felt it made sense to remember it. Very well said, man. Thanks for sharing this information. You're most welcome.
Did you like my video? If yes, then please follow these steps in an order. First, hit the subscribe button. Once it grays out, you will notice a bell icon show up next to it. Hit this bell icon too, so that you always get all the latest updates from this channel in your email. And then, like and share my videos within your network.